In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a duplicate Google Business profile efficiently in just 5 minutes. A duplicate profile can create confusion for your customers and potentially dilute your business's online presence. Cleaning up any duplicates ensures your business information is accurate and consistently represented across all Google platforms. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to sign in to your Google Business profile. It's important to use the account associated with your business. This ensures you have access to manage the locations listed under your business. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Profiles section. Here, you'll find an option that says Manage Multiple Locations. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a list of all the business profiles you currently manage, making it easier for you to identify any duplicates. Now, take a moment to scan through your list of businesses. You're looking for the profile that seems to have been duplicated. It's essential to carefully verify the details such as address and contact information, as this helps eliminate any possibility of removing a legitimate entry by mistake. Once you've identified the duplicate, select that business profile. With the duplicate business selected, look for a button labeled Actions. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option Remove Business. You're taking a critical step here, so be sure you have the right profile selected before you proceed. After you click Remove Business, you'll need to confirm your decision. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen, reassuring you that you're about to remove the selected profile. Go ahead and click Remove to finalize the process. This step is crucial as it informs Google of your deliberate action to delete the duplicate profile. Once confirmed, your job is mostly done. Now it's just a matter of waiting for Google to process the request. Generally, this should not take long, but the timeline could vary depending on factors like the volume of requests Google is handling. During this waiting period, it's a good idea to periodically check back to ensure the profile has been successfully removed. And there you have it, a straightforward yet vital task completed that helps improve your online business footprint. Keeping your Google Business profile up to date with accurate and precise information is key to helping customers find your business easily while strengthening your brand's authority. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure you subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials that simplify your online presence management.